Hello and welcome. Thank you for checking out my store. Today I'm going to show you how to download and export my digital block plan from the PowerPoint file into a PDF to preserve those hyperlinks on the side with the tab. Alright, here we are on the web page. You're going to click download now. I already have it downloaded. So now what you are going to do is make sure you know where your file is located, edit it as you like. I have changed the picture on the cover and then my name. So you are going to go to smallpdf.com and click PPT to PDF, that third option. And then you can either drag and drop, so that would look like this. Boom, boom. Done. Download the file. Alright, so this one is the converted one. I'm going to put that on my iPad and show you what that looks like. Before I jump into how it looks on the iPad and how I use it, I'm going to show you how to convert it using Keynote, as it is a little bit simpler than the small PDF. Just like last time, download now. I already have it. So you're going to right click, or if you're using a trackpad, 2-finger click, open with Keynote. Alright, you can change whatever you want here, because once you export as a PDF, it's very difficult to change it once you start using it, because you'll have to put everything back on top of it that you have written. So, File, Export to PDF, and then hit Next. Save it however you want, export. I can replace, that's fine. And it has exported. So it should be right where you want it to be. This is my Keynote export. And now I'll show you how I use it on my iPad using an app called GoodNotes. There are several apps out there for digital notebooks, digital note-taking, digital planners, all that jazz. There's Notability, GoodNotes. You can even do it in iBooks. I believe the hyperlinks also work in iBooks, but GoodNotes is just my favorite so far. So this is how I use my weekly block plan. It's May, I don't know the day because it's Saturday, but anyway. So it has Monday through Friday and then a note section. The note section is what I use to prep. Mark what I need to prep, mark what I have prepped, etc. Right now we're doing a biome unit for my kindergarten classroom. We're studying the deciduous and coniferous trees. So I have my fox activity, my deer activity. I will draw kind of like this is a craft that we're going to do, so I'll draw my little details so that I don't forget. It's super helpful for me. Another thing you can do is on a day, let's say, instead of going to the library, we're going to watch Bambi. So you can insert images. This, by the way, this app is called GoodNotes. It's the app that I prefer to use. So let's say, here's some popcorn. It's going to be a movie day instead of the library. You can add pictures to it. The other really nice thing is if you choose to erase, I'll zoom in so we can have the example with the library behind it. Pictures don't erase, and then the PDF file underneath does not erase. However, any of the written text will erase. I'll show you with my sad little alien moose. I can erase all of the text and the drawings I have done using this pen tool. Oh, that's white. That doesn't help you. That also doesn't help you. There we go. And then it will not erase any of the PDF underneath. That's one of my favorite things about GoodNotes in particular. One of the things about GoodNotes, though, that you should know before you buy it is links that you insert into GoodNotes will not become clickable links. Only links like these hyperlinks will be clickable because it happened before you inserted the file into, what week was I on? There we go, into the app. So this YouTube link will not be clickable, but you can edit highlight, copy paste it. You can also, what I love to do is QR codes, because the kids can then use their own devices to scan the QR code. I can project it onto the screen, or I can print out individual QR code cards, which I do with a lot of listening centers. So yeah, this is how I use my block plan.